to download YouTube videos to phone's gallery without any application. So if you want to download YouTube videos to your phone's gallery without any application on your Android or on your iPhone, then what you can do is you need to simply open up your Play Store at first and then go for the search and search for YouTube. And if you have an update under your YouTube application, then first make sure to update your application. Tap on update and update the application. Once you've updated, you can go back and then you can open up your YouTube application. Once you've opened your YouTube, now you can simply choose the video or anything that you would like to download. So you may have a download option under some videos and you might not have the download option under some other videos. So if you simply open up a video, and here if you have the download option, tap on download and the video will start the download. Again, tap on the download, which is on the bottom right, and you will have the video and it will start the download process. And while it's being downloaded, what you can do is simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and under your profile here, if you scroll down, you will have downloads option. Tap on downloads, and under your downloads here you will have all of the videos or all of the songs that you have downloaded. So if you want to simply download that to your phone's gallery, then you can't do that, but what you can do is simply you can turn off your Wi-Fi or anything. Like if you don't have your Wi-Fi or your internet connection, even then you can open up the video. So for example, if I turn off my Wi-Fi or my mobile data, and once I've turned that off, you can remove all of that and then you can open up your YouTube again, and here you can see that it will directly take you to the download where I can simply tap and open that video and I can watch the video. So that's how you can download YouTube videos to your phone's gallery without any application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.